Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we're here with Vybz Kartel, the teacher, world boss, Adidja Palmer. So much different names and acronyms. Big up yourself, teacher. With a song called Fake. You see me? So you don't know, so some fire go burn another one. I mean, I know him burn out, but fire go burn another one, yeah. Vybz Kartel don't need no introduction, brother. Let's get into the fucking video. Vybz Kartel don't need none of that shit. Let's go, man.
Pussy, you fake.
All right. I go try dissect that cover art, yeah. So we see one person face, person blindfold, but guess what? The person have a fake smile on. A smile is drawn, that smile is not real, you see me? You can see that the smile is real, so that's obvious, so you're fake.
Pussy, you fake, you're not fit talk. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, take a lot for the fraud.
Pussy, you fake. When you tell me say you rate me, I laugh, cause here what? Me know say you know say me know say a liar tell. Get that? Me know say you know say me know. A liar tell you to a blood clot lie. You not rate me. Remember say me know no, but guess what? Me play full for catch wise. You see me? Me go like my barn big. Yeah. But remember say me born tonight, me not born last night. You have to know that. You see me? So when you go tell me say you rate me, me know say brother. A liar tell. You feel?
Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud, you take a lot for the fake, you really a go hard. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. Me prefer be myself, dog, me no pretend, dog. No, you're not real, me see true, you like bread bag.
Yo, me prefer be myself, brother. Oh, you pretend, Brit, me G. Oh, you pretend. Once you start off by pretending to be somebody that you're not. You see the day when you slip up and actually become and actually show the person that you really are, the world really gonna know, say you're fake. Mrs. Straight through you like bread bag, see-through bag, plastic bag, flower bag, Mrs. Chew you.
Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. Me prefer be myself, dog. Me no pretend, dog. No, you're not real, me see true. You like bread bag. Blaze the weed, me so I me get jet lag. Brand new shoes, me just pop off a next tag. Them simple thing, them.
Brand new shoes, me just pop off a next tag. Blaze the weed, me get to eye. Get jet lag. What gonna be that? To fly without visa.
Me so I me get jet lag. Brand new shoes, me just pop off a next tab. Them simple thing, they make boy a vex God. Grab your friend, girl, or person that get grab. Then you come and simple thing, they make boy a vex God. Grab your friend, girl, or person that get grab. Then you come and
grab your friend, girl, or person that get. Alright.
Laughing, they make boy a vex God. Grab your friend, girl, or person that get grab. Then you come and laugh for the man you fit dead. But empty a full clip in your load and next mag. Pussy your face.
Empty a clip in your and load and next mag. So even though I know say you're dead, me load my next mag for who else want run up. Come know you're dead, you know. So me not go empty and clip in you know. Yeah. Who else want run up? It can mean that, or it can mean empty a clip in you, me a gill next clip tear me too. I'm so angry with you. You know why I'm angry with you too? Cause you believe, say me, believe, say you real. Get that? You believe, say me, bars. Bars.
Come and laugh for the man you fit dead. But empty a full clip in your load and next mag. Pussy you fake, you're not fit talk. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud, you take a lot for the fake, you really a go hard. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. You have a dozen gal, and still I look your cousin gal pussy wall. And I tell the gal say fi keep it on the low.
You have a dozen girl and still I look your friend girl. And I tell the girls if you keep it on the low. You know to say, brother, what wrong with some man anyway? Or wrong with some man who real estate in a real life, dog. What wrong with some man, brother? Furthermore, if you go look a man, girl, don't call a man name, bro. Don't call a man name, brother. Them thing that piss me, them thing that grieve me, you know. You look the girl and you call my name, forget my girl, brother. How that makes sense? If you look the girl, what want to you? Eh? What the fuck wrong with you?
And still I look your cousin girl pussy wall. And I tell the girl say fi keep it on the low. Cause boss your face you can't defend it like Nandilo. The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below.
Cause boss your face you can't defend it like a Nandilo. Do the research on who that is. Do the research. That's all me I gonna say. Do the research, brother.
And still I look your cousin girl pussy wall. And I tell the girl say fi keep it on the low. Cause boss your face you can't defend it like Nandilo. The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below.
No. We can't be there and just go and say, no, sir, no. Yo, cause boss your face when you can't defend it like Nandilo. Pussy wall. Pussy your fake.
You're not fit talk. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for be fraud. You take a lot for be fake. You really a go hard. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for be fraud. Me prefer be myself, dog. Me no pretend, dog. No, you're not real, me see true. You like bread bag. Blaze the weed, me so I me get jet lag. Brand new shoes, me just pop off a next tag. Them simple thing, they make boy a vex God. Rob your friend, girl, or person that get grab. Then you come and laugh for the man you fit dead. But them tea a full clip in your lower than next mag. You say you fake, you not fit talk. Tell me you rate me, but I laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. You take a lot for the you really a go hard. Tell me you rate me, but I laugh. Give me
second
the
verse,
smile
mad.
with the dirtiest heart. Oh,
ready, let's go on tonight.
You have a dozen, girl. And still I look your cousin girl pussy wall. And I tell the girl say fi keep it on the low. Cause boss your face you can't defend it like Nandilo. The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below.
The dog them are colder than 0, 21 below. So minus 21 degrees. The dog them are cold like below freezing.
Cause boss your face you can't defend it like Nandilo. The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below. Bad mind is a sickness. Bullet are the antidote. And
a bad mind is a sickness, you know. And bullet are the antidote. Remember that. On the one if you care bad mind.
The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below. Bad mind is a sickness. Bullet are the antidote. And no better rest with couple orange and a cantaloupe. All you want a girl want hang you with a panty rope.
Not even your girl can stand you. Your girl can't stand you, let alone sit you. Your girl want hang you with a panty rope. So what I mean by that, your girl want tie up her panty, make it look like a one rope and hang your blood clot. That you forget.
The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below. Bad mind is a sickness. Bullet are the antidote. And no better rest with couple orange and a cantaloupe. All you want a girl want hang you with a panty rope. Cause she know where we know. But say you're fake, you're not.
Even your girl knows you're fake, brother. Your girl know what the G them know up on the corner. Say you're fake. Your girl want hang you with a panty rope, my G. That hang the hot. Jaws are going to hang you.
All you want a girl want hang you with a panty rope. Cause
no,
she know where we know. But say you're fake.
No, sir.
Tell me you rate no, but I laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. You take a lot for the fake. You really a go hard. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. Never be a hater. Never be a traitor.
We get a third verse? I never know, I think it done.
Oh, you do it, you take a lot for the fraud. Never be a hater, never be a traitor. You're not half friendly, but never envy.
You're not half friendly, but never envy. You're not half like me, but don't bad mind me. That's what the G say. You're not half like me, bro. Me not half like you. Me not twin. Me not born with somebody. Me born alone. You're not half like me, but don't bumbuckler bad mind me, dog.
Never be a hater, never be a traitor. You're not half friendly, but never envy. Don't be no bad mind. Me tell you that long time. Don't be no bad mind. Me tell you that long time.
The boss emphasize on that. The boss repeat that. And like him couldn't find a next time he put this in on. No, him want make you know. Don't be a bad man. Me tell you that long time. Don't be a bad man, me tell you that long time.
Don't be no bad mind, me tell you that long time. Don't be no bad mind, me tell you that long time. Man a drink Hennessy and Red Bull, you a drink Guinness, you feel grateful. Hustle hard, if you get your plate full.
Man a drink Hennessy and Red Bull, you a drink Guinness. Be grateful, cause you what? Even though you a drink Guinness, some man out there drink water. Some man they have water. So just go and hustle hard and make your plate full then. If I saw you a pre then. You understand? Yeah, you have two type of people, you know. You have a person where the pre the back layer half full or half empty. Which one are you? Which one are you? You see this half full or you see this half empty? There's two ways to look at it.
Hennessy and Red Bull, you a drink Guinness, you feel grateful. Hustle hard, if you get your plate full. Me no rate nobody way hateful. Work and pray and be faithful. You say you fake.
Me no like nobody way bumbo clock. Yeah.
No but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for be fraud. You take a lot for be fake, you really am hard. Tell me you rate, no but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for be fraud.
Yo, Bumbleclad. Big up Adi. Big up Adi. Yo, like me said earlier on, it don't need no introduction, it don't need no introduction, brother. It don't need no outro, it don't need no intro, dog. Brother, hear me I say. Do something for me. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. Not costing nothing. Just drop a sub. Drop a sub. Drop a sub. Drop a sub. Back to the thing now. You don't feel like Kartel, but you have to respect what I'm doing in the music business. You have to respect. No matter what generation you are, you have to respect. Once you're listening to dancehall music, Kartel name have to mention in anything we do. Kartel name in any conversation, Kartel name have to mention. Mention. Me can't tell when last me watch an interview and Kartel name don't get bring up in the interview. Afi. Somewhere, either the person who do the interview I go mention his name or the person who get interview I go mention his name. Afi get mentioned, brother. That is how great this suit is. Yeah. And don't forget the Kartel and nearly 50, brother. Big man. You see me? Kartel do it, bro. Kartel do it, brother. Yo. To this day, Kartel do it. Yo, big up on yourself. This is how I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed that one, I want some more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you. Now the next one. Peace.